Tamam, hoş geldiniz. Şimdi bu ünitenin ikinci bölümüne başlıyoruz. Daha önemli kavramlara daldığımız için hazır olun. Hemen başlayalım.
Bu eğitim, AB tarafından finanse edilen CodeForFuture projesinin bir parçasıdır. Proje, GmbH tarafından L4Y Learning for Youth GmbH ve Seyhan Danışment Gazi Anadolu Lisesi işbirliğiyle koordine edilmektedir. Bu girişimden daha fazla programlama içeriği için bizi izlemeye devam edin. Daha fazla kaynak için lütfen açıklamadaki bağlantıyı takip edin.
All right, let's wrap up our IoT section by looking ahead. What's coming next in the world of IoT? First, artificial intelligence and machine learning. As IoT devices collect more and more data, AI and ML are stepping in to make sense of it all. They help with real-time analysis, automate tasks, and support smarter, faster decision-making. Think of a smart thermostat that doesn't just follow a schedule. It learns your habits and adjusts automatically. Next, edge computing. Instead of sending all data to the cloud, edge computing processes it locally, right where it's created. This reduces delay, also called latency, so devices respond faster and more efficiently. That's super important in critical situations like healthcare or autonomous vehicles. Now, blockchain technology. This is being explored for its ability to provide secure, transparent, and tamper-proof data sharing between devices. Imagine IoT networks where every transaction or data exchange is verified and recorded safely without a central authority. And finally, convergence with emerging tech. IoT is also merging with things like virtual reality and augmented reality. This creates immersive experiences and better tools for remote work, training, and even remote surgeries. So in short, IoT isn't standing still. It's evolving fast, combining with powerful technologies to become even smarter, faster, and more secure. Here are two more key trends shaping the future of IoT. First, low-power wide-area networks, also known as LPWAN. These networks are designed for IoT devices that need to send small amounts of data over long distances while using very little power. They're perfect for large-scale deployments in places like farms, remote weather stations, or industrial sites, basically anywhere without constant access to Wi-Fi or electricity. Second, a stronger focus on user experience or UX. As IoT becomes more common, users expect it to be simple and intuitive. That means devices need to be easy to use, integrate smoothly into daily life, and not feel like a burden. The goal is for the technology to work in the background, helpful but not disruptive. So, as we move forward, it's not just about making devices smarter. It's about making them more efficient, more accessible, and more human-friendly. To wrap things up, let's talk about how we can build a future for IoT that's not just smart, but also secure, ethical, and sustainable. First, standardization. Right now, there's a wide mix of devices, platforms, and protocols. For IoT to work smoothly and safely, we need the industry to come together and agree on shared standards, so everything can talk to each other and stay protected. Next, security by design. Security shouldn't be an afterthought. It needs to be built in from the very beginning. That means using strong encryption, secure coding practices, and thinking about vulnerabilities during the design process, not after a product is already out. Then, consumer education. As users, we need to understand how our data is being used and how to stay safe. Educating people on privacy and security helps them make informed decisions and protect themselves in a connected world. And finally, ethical considerations. We also need to think about the big picture impact. Who owns the data? Are algorithms being fair? Are we protecting people's rights? Ethical frameworks help guide responsible use of IoT technologies. By focusing on these areas, standardization, built-in security, informed users, and ethical design, we can create an IoT future that benefits everyone safely and responsibly. To sum it all up, IoT is transforming the way we live by connecting everyday objects into smart, responsive networks. It brings automation, real-time data exchange, and smarter decision-making into our homes, cities, industries, and even our bodies. But for IoT to reach its full potential, we need more than just innovative devices. We need secure systems, interoperable standards, and a user experience that people can trust and understand. Just as important, we need to lead with ethics, making sure this technology is used responsibly. So here's the call to action. If we want to truly benefit from IoT, it will take collaboration across industries, sharing standards, baking security into the design process, educating users, and keeping ethical considerations at the forefront. By doing that, we can build an IoT future that's not just smart, but also safe, fair, and sustainable for everyone.
Nesnelerin interneti konulu oturumumuzun sonuna geldik. Umarım bu, IoT'nin ne olduğu, nasıl kullanıldığı ve beraberinde getirdiği zorluklar ve fırsatlar konusunda size daha net bir fikir vermiştir. Akıllı evlerde, şehirlerde, fabrikalarda veya çiftliklerde olsun, IoT yaşam ve çalışma biçimimizi şekillendiriyor ve büyümeye devam edecek. Geleceğin geliştiricisi, tasarımcısı veya teknoloji düşünürü olarak bu alandaki rolünüz önemli olacak. Öğrenmeye devam edin, meraklı olun ve her bağlı cihazın arkasında ona bağımlı bir insanın olduğunu unutmayın. Bu yüzden dikkatli, yaratıcı ve sorumlulukla geliştirin. Bugün aramıza katıldığınız için teşekkür ederiz. Herhangi bir sorunuz veya öneriniz varsa ya da daha fazla bilgi edinmek istiyorsanız lütfen bizimle iletişime geçmekten çekinmeyin veya seanstan sonra kalın. En iyisini dilerim ve bir dahaki sefere görüşmek üzere.